One thing my kids love, so these packets are great because you can throw them in your purse. They're great for traveling. It's the 2 ounces that they suggest you have every day. But what my kids love doing is throwing these in the freezer, and then you literally just cut the top off and it's like a popsicle. Or if you have popsicle molds, we'll put just this in there, and it's a great way for them to get all of their goodness. Like if you haven't learned about Ningxia Red, it's like a game changer for all of our health, my hormones, all of it. It's a must-have, like must-have, energy, everything. So, okay, what else did I purchase? This is where we get our toothpaste. I love the Thieves whitening toothpaste. It is my favorite. My kids love it. And so I typically will buy this once every couple months. Now I can go into my subscribe to save and literally choose what months I want my toothpaste to come. I'm so excited, which is gonna change. Like, just give my brain a rest of not having to remember like, oh, I gotta put this on my order this month. Oh, I gotta put this on my order. So, toothpaste, again, you're gonna buy this somewhere, and I get 25% back of every of buying toothpaste, and then it turns around and I can get free product. All right, please. Okay, the next thing I get every couple months, this isn't a monthly, but every couple months, is the Print-A-Lone cream, and you literally just put it on your forearms, rub it together. I use it every night except for when I'm on my period. This is a part of the whole like Hope and Hormones routine. Goodness gracious. That I do. Love this stuff. Like, it's so good. If you want to know more about this, just message and say like, please tell me more about Print-A-Lone cream. The next thing is Super C. And we keep this all the time. They have the chewables for the kids, and then this one is for Adam and I. Super C obviously is important for immune system support. We love to keep it on hand. One, we take it every day, but then we love to keep it on hand for when we're sick to take more of. However, Super C is also like a game changer for adrenal support. Rose, can you chill? Hold on. You can do this after, okay? You can do this after, I promise. Okay. She's so sad. It's okay, just take a nap, it's fine. Super C is like one of the, it's a building block. It's a support. It's a whatever you want to call it for your adrenals. And so when you are needing to support your adrenals, which is something I've been on for years with my hormones, you want to keep up on your vitamin C. And I love all of Young Living supplements because they're bioavailable. Like, they get to your body. You actually don't just pee them out, which a lot of supplements you do. I have tried so many supplements over the years, mainly to support my hormones. And these ones, I can feel a difference with them. And they're combined with essential oils. And so it's like amazing. Again, if you want to learn more about the supplements, I have resources for all of this, but this is a go-to, and we were out. Not okay. Okay, the next thing I get monthly is Cortistop. This is another amazing one for hormones. This is one of the first ones, first supplements that I started to take. I had terrible insomnia for years due to hormone imbalance, and melatonin wouldn't even touch it. I would take melatonin at night and still be wide awake. I would spend almost every night crying because I was so tired, but it was that wired and tired because of my adrenals. And the first night I took this, I actually felt tired. It was glorious. You don't realize what you miss, feeling feeling tired at night, but not I'd feel tired all day, and then I'd get into bed and it was that wired and tired feeling. This made me feel sleepy. Let's say that. I felt tired all the time. This made me feel sleepy, and I fell asleep, and it's a game changer. Cortistop Oh my goodness. Like, please. Okay, so that's everything I purchased, all right? And then this is everything that then Young Living, so like gift with purchase. I used to work for Clinique years ago, and gift with purchase season was always the craziest. Always. Everyone wants their gift with purchase. It was insane, like for real. So every month, Young Living does a gift with purchase. So I'm already buying these things. Like I'm already going to be buying my supplements, my toothpaste, my hormone support, everything. But because I'm choosing to buy them through Young Living, where I already trust like wholeheartedly their ingredients, I know that they work. I'm not just wasting my money. I then get 25% back from my whole purchase in reward points, which is how then I afford other things. Okay, so if you are not a Young Living customer already and you are like, I would love to hop on these things, even in the sense of getting ready for going to the school year, immune support, all that kind of stuff. Like I'm going to be buying a big thing of Thieves hand sanitizer to send into my daughter's classroom, like those kind of things. Let me know. I have a referral link, and then that gets you into my larger like wellness tribe, where I love to educate and just pour more of my time and energy into those people needing help with whatever, either wellness goals, or it might just simply be like ditching crappy household products and replacing them. That's one of my favorite things to do and to talk about. So if you are not a Young Living customer, which gets you the 24% off discount, and that's it. A chicken just squawked really loud. Let me know. Like, guys, that's all it is. That's all it is. And I just get really giddy whenever new people choose to hop into using products that I have seen a huge change in our family and in my health and my hormone health over the last 7 years. And I hate to see when people are reluctant because of whatever misconceptions they have. Like, guys, here's the thing. Like with MLMs or network marketing or whatever, like, here's the thing. I simply share because I've experienced some amazing testimonies with my health and hormones and my family. And that's the only reason I share, for no other reason. Like if the products didn't work, I wouldn't be sharing it. And I actually used Young Living just simply as a product for, I think, 3 years before even sharing, because I didn't want to be that person. And then I had so many aha moments that I was like, I can't not share these things. And here we are. So I want to encourage you that if you've been on the fence of just shopping with Young Living, like, let's chat. I'm simply here because Young Living chooses to pay me and other people to share testimonies, market for them instead of a marketing company. That's it. And I will gladly do it because they've been life-changing. And so, and honestly, like it's saved me so much brain power. It's hit that easy button because I can't tell you how many hours I spent over the years trying to find the right products, even simple like hand soap. I remember spending hours online researching like a clean hand soap, and the research brought me to Mrs. Meyer's, and I bought it off of Amazon. And now I'm like, oh my gosh, because there's so much greenwashing that goes on. I want you to be able to spend your money on things that actually work and actually support your body and not burden it even further, including your kids. Like, that's the thing, is we have to like steward our kids' bodies as well, and what we're doing with their endocrine system and their hormones and everything, like neurological, everything, like it matters. To the hand soap like they use daily, to the hand sanitizer, to the laundry detergent that we use, like it matters. And I love shopping Young Living because I 100% trust their products, their ingredients, like they're transparent, they're legit, and I see a transformation in our family, my health, and goodness gracious, my hormones. Like, that's it. So I want that for you if you're needing a simple solution to ditching crappy products and replacing them easily on a budget, and or needing hormone help, guys. Like so many of these Young Living products have been a game changer for my hormones, and I have tried bioidenticals, I have tried supplements, I have tried like metformin and medicine, and so many doctor's appointments and so much money put into that. When people say, oh, these things are expensive, like no. Being sick or even unbalanced hormones or whatever, like that's expensive. Like I would rather support my body now and avoid all of that, because goodness gracious, that was so much. So I want to encourage you to recognize your need on what, like wherever you're at in your health journey, wellness journey, or maybe you don't even think you have a wellness journey and you just need some clean hand soap and dish soap. I got that for you. Like that's simply what I'm here for. And then when you need questions or help, I'm here with resources for you. That's my whole heart. So, it's my dog sneezing. She's silly like that. All right. Yeah. Let me know if you need any help. I have a referral link. And I just love like bringing people into the beautifulness of simplicity and wellness for you and your family.